Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And it was a while ago when I invested in an overhead bar or an overhead mount for your camera, your mirrorless camera, or your phone, and by Glide Gear, and it's worked very well. Extends 36 inches, quite a bit, as you can see, which is nice. There's a lot of tripods out there that you can do overhead with, but the problem is it doesn't extend that far. And then I connected it with my tripod, but the problem was it wasn't holding well with the plate that it came with. So I said, I've got to get a better tripod that this would work well. And sure enough, Glide Gear also has a tripod. Now, I wish I bought this from the very beginning. This tripod is actually less expensive than the bar. And I'll put a link to both products. I'll put a review that I did on this piece. And this is solid. This really holds up well. The ball joint allows you to adjust the angle. But as far as height, it really does a perfect job for height. And then when you need to work underneath the camera, you've got this set up well. And then again, you can extend it far enough that should work so well. And it's really well made. The adjustments, you know, as far as these knobs here on the bottom for adjusting the tripod height, you know, it's okay. You know, sometimes the lever's nice, but these knobs hold up well. And this just whole bracket works so much better than what I had before. This bracket just seems to stay in well. And then you have the knob that you can tie and loosen it up. So if I want to pull it out, I can. And that bracket just slides in and it works perfect. So definitely should check it out today. Locks in nice and easily. And then again, you just take the knob and this keeps it in place well. I'm really pleased with this purchase, and a nice tripod. Comes with a nice bag as well, almost like a camouflage type of bag. But Glide Gear really makes a nice product. As far as the plate, this is a 2.5 pound plate. I'll put a link to where I got it. See if they have that still available. If not, I'll put a link where you can get a 2.5 pound plate. And it's a great 1-2 setup. So if you are looking to do your videos and photos and need some kind of overhead shot, then definitely check this out. Under 50 bucks for, you know, a tripod that is really well made. And it is heavier. You know, tripod, I'm sure there are some lighter ones out there, but if you're just gonna have this set up in your studio and not gonna need to take it with you, then it's would work well. And even if you have to take it with you, you're taking in transportation, you get your self set up. I think you'll really like this tripod. It really is well made, and will definitely do the trick for me. So I wanted to just share this with you. Again, I'll put a link to both parts, the tripod and the overhead bar, and I'll also put a link to the video that I did on this bar. And Glide Gear, definitely, I'm pleased with their product. So let me know if you have any questions, if you're using their brand, and any questions you have, I'll try and answer those. When you click on the link, there'll probably be more information that I didn't share with you today that you could find out. And there's also questions that you can ask as well that can be of help to you. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Hope this video is of help. Thanks for liking this video if it was of help to you today. And again, appreciate you clicking on the links and of course, visiting my channel and video. Take care. We'll see you on the next video.